Footprints leading to the house, but none leading away. How was an entire family murdered in a remote German farmhouse? And why did the killer live among their bodies for days? This is the terrifying true story of Hinterkaifeck. Today, we look into one of the most horrifying unsolved crimes in history, which took place in 1922 in a remote part of Germany. 6 people of the Gruber family were brutally murdered in a mystery that still haunts the world. Months before the murders, strange things began to happen. Their maid quit, claiming the house was haunted. Then, the owner, Andreas Gruber, found footprints in the snow leading from the forest directly to his home. But the footprints never led back out. On the night of the incident, the entire family, including a brand new maid, was lured into the barn and killed one by one. But here is the most chilling detail discovered by experts and researchers. The killer didn't leave after the murders. For several days, the murderer lived in the house with the bodies. Neighbors reported seeing smoke from the chimney and lights in the windows. The killer even fed the farm animals and ate food from the kitchen. Nothing was stolen. No money, no jewelry. Who was the killer hiding in the attic? Why did he stay? To this day, the Hinterkaifeck murders remain one of the darkest and most mysterious cold cases in history. To discover more true, mysterious, and terrifying stories like this in detail, subscribe to our YouTube channel now. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Join us as we uncover the dark secrets of the past.